Hey guys, how's it going? So today's just gonna be a video on doing some winter storm prep. So it's bright and sunny now, but tonight it's gonna get dark and snowy. So 8 to 12 inches. We're gonna get 12 to 18 inches of range. So let's get started. So I think we have definitely enough firewood for my outdoor fire pit, which I'm gonna use today before the storm hits. Has wood in it. Um, Um, so yeah, the bike is back here. We have enough gas. Alright, so I think I'm gonna take this thing off of its blocks. We put blocks under it to keep the wheels off the ground, so that way it won't, so that way the tires won't flatten over time. So I'm gonna pull it out to about here, because I'm gonna be using it tomorrow, so let me set the camera down and do that. Where should I set it? Okay. There we go. It is a little bit heavy, but not too bad. Has a full tank of gas, so that's good. I checked the oil a while ago, that's good too. So the next thing we're gonna move on to, let's measure it. I want to see. It is 18 inches high, snowblower, but I want to see. Let's see here. I want to see compared to how much snow we're getting. Inch. Alright, so let's see. It's about 19.5 inches tall. It's 2 inches, 4, 5, 12, halfway up, I think. Alright, so we'll be good. Okay. If anything changes in terms of the snow amounts, I'll let you know. I'm definitely still a lot of work to do. Alright, so we got this thing down. I'm gonna take this down so that way when the time comes for the snow, I can just come over here and dig out in front of the garage. Sometimes I'm pushing at this forever before I can get this door open, because it opens out. I don't think I'm going to use the power shovel to clear in front of the garage, and the reason why is just because the cord, the extension cord, it doesn't work well with. Although, I could unravel it, and I could do that actually. I think I will do that. Let me try that. I'm still gonna leave this thing down because you never know. But let me set the camera down, unravel the cord. I'm doing all this ahead of time, just because I want to be prepared for it, so that way I can get out and clear it as soon as possible. Now I have to be doing this. I could just use this one, but apparently the plug won't fit in the power shovel one, but this one will, so the snowblower's no electric start, so I can't use the electric start on it because it doesn't have one. Oh boy. Okay. Let me set you guys down any random way. just think of how much cord I'm going to need. Okay, so this one goes towards the outlet. Set that one right there. And then this one hang on, let me plug the cord in for a second so that way it'll stay in place so I can see if we're even. Okay, cord's plugged in. Let me fumble with this for a second. I'm trying to see. I don't think I'll need much cord because I just have to do in front of the garage with the electric shovel. And you never know. I think that'll be enough. So just put this to the side here. It's gonna be a big one, guys. Plug it now. Alright. So, that's all set. There's always a risk with a snowstorm for power outages. So the generator has almost a full tank of gas. So we're good with that. And it still has good compression. Leaf blower, there's going to be too much for that, so I'm not going to even bother putting fuel in it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm all prepared for the snowstorm now, so we'll see you guys later. Bye now.